Okay, you listen to this song. Okay, so for today, I gonna teach you on how to properly sing it, okay? Okay, so let's have here the OR or the opening remarks. So by the way, this one is katuwitang dal. Oo, sige, go. Kukumako siya sa mida. Tut! Okay, the tut is the pusil. Okay, balik. Kukumako siya sa mida. Tut! Oh, very smooth, right? Okay, let's have her now the mingle. Okay, go. Donggalaging dage, donggalaging dage, drop, donggalaging gage, donggalaging gage. Always remember that in music, it doesn't mean that the word you got it right, but just focus on the tune. Tune na lang, okay? Because I am a multilingual person, so I know you cannot get the point here. So only me. Okay? So let's have here. Here, there is a quickery technique. Be at bingle na lang, bingle. Bingle na naman sa machon sa mibida. Okay, remember that the sida must be the main course here. Sida. Balik. Donggaragang dage, donggaragang lage, bingle bingle na naman sa sida. Diba? Very nice kaayo, diba? I know. Sige, next. Drop again. Son gila sa miss you when now masami you. You, here. La, 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 la. Okay, here. Ay, namasag, di mo kakuha sa la, 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 la. Sayo na kayo na. Very basic. La, 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 la. Jon, 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 man, jon, jon. Dire, here. Huya. Okay? Huya. Nakuha? Balik. Ari na lang mo focus sa kinalasa na word. Kasi alam ko hindi kayo marunong sa kanilang language. Balik. Snapping at ngayon at chami song malambing sa nalala. Balik ko no. You're not focusing ha. Again. Snoopy sa Sonny God is you. Ari na lang ta lahos sa ring-aring. Okay, kay na-confuse man mo gamay. Lahos na lang ta sa ring-aring. Ring-a-ring-a-ring-a-ring-a-ring-a-ring. Four times. Ring-a-ring-a-ring-a-ring. And then, don't forget the okay, bye. You need to practice this para di mo mamatay. Okay?